first thing is my only suggestion to everybody would be very clear what exactly you're looking for. Spray and pray kind of an approach will never going to work, which we all fall into trap for that, saying that, okay, I don't have anything, let me just try everywhere and whatever I will get, and let me just get settled for that. Having said that, specifically for people who are looking for internship, you still have certain few weeks, at least 4 to 7 weeks in hands. By now, you should be very aware of what exactly you are looking for, in which area you want to go for, what kind of industry you want to target. And as you rightly said, the kind of structure probably you would have worked for. We need to work as a student or anyone who is looking to target something, you need to have certain structure in place, which means area of interest, kind of organization you want to target. And again, you further keep drilling down saying that, okay, XYZ organization, I want to look for, let's say, merchandising as a role. Now, if that is the case, who is the right person I should be speaking about it? And when you get an opportunity to speak, what exactly you have to pitch for? Just by saying, hey, I need an opportunity to do my internship in merchandising is not going to solve your problem. What value you're going to create for yourself, and once you're there for your period for internship, what value you can create for an organization also, or maybe once you leave after that period, what results you can create for yourself. If you're going to talk in that with your pitch, that will be more impactful versus you're just saying, hey, give me an internship. You need to be in a demanding position versus just saying, I'm at receiving end, just give me something. That's the one thing which I would strongly suggest you guys should be start working on.
Okay, yeah, so that's a true point. But I've seen so many students right now, which they when they initially they had very true focus, but right now when something comes up, they change suddenly and say that I'm going to take this up for now, and then I'm going to look at my career later. So in this scenario, what do you have to say to those students exactly?
See, there is nothing right or wrong because every individual know what exactly is going on in their life.
Mhm.
Yes, I mean, there would be a pressure, especially in these current times.
Yes.
There will be extra pressure, but believe me, the same pressure will be there, was there when I was going through this era where you guys are for internship or even for a job. Just to tell you, like I did GMT, and I after what you guys call MF Tech today, after and way back in 2002, my chairpersons, my faculty, everybody used to discourage me. No, you should not opt for retail, and we will not allow you to go for retail.
Okay.
I was the only one who was adamant saying that I am not going to opt for any internship which is coming from technology. I want to work only with domestic companies. I was probably the last person who went for internship from my campus because I was not settling for whatever was coming on my way. And I was pushing them, you need to get me something what I'm looking for. 2002, way back, yes, internet was there, but it was not so easily there was no ease to approaching people, which you guys can do it at this point of time. So of course, I mean, they facilitated and I end up doing my internship with Color Plus. Likewise, the same thing was there for me when the placement was happening. There was no domestic companies or retail company used to come for GMT. There was only one company which was supposed to come in the last slot of the last day, which was Pantaloon, and I just opted for that. For entire 10 days, I never sat for any single interview.
Okay. So you're
That
saying
was
that
me.
if we are focused enough.
I am not boasting about myself, but it's
Yes.
all about what you want.
Mm-hmm.
I would have failed miserably in both the times also. But I was very confident saying that, hey, given an opportunity, I can convert these interviews. So it's
True.
all up to individual. I mean, what you feel, what you can create. What Anya said, I mean, just declaring a time and date. I mean, it's not like just declaring is just falling on her lap.
Mm-hmm.
That probably create, you need to come into reality. Okay, if this date, this thing, what all actions you need to take for it. So one way to looking at that. Another thing is, yes, looking at and thinking, okay, things are really bad. Let me pick up whatever is coming on my way. But that situation was there all the time. You ask your immediate senior who just graduated last year, they will also going to tell you the same thing. Internship नहीं मिलती है, job नहीं मिलती है, जो मिलता है ले लो. Or there may be people who will be saying, no, keep very focused and look for what you're exactly looking for. So its choice is completely your from which side you want to play this game. Just looking for whatever come your way, you want to pick it up. maybe you will get something which you can pick up, but who knows, you're not going to get anything also from there. Or sticking your guns and saying that, no, I want just this company or this kind of role. Maybe, I mean, you're not going to, never going to get that. If that is the case also, maybe after campus or maybe then the last leg, pick up whatever is coming on your way. But at least give your full shot saying that, okay, I tried. Don't just lose the game when it's not even started. Don't do that.
Yes, that's really an inspiration right now, because right now people that their focus started wavering because of this pandemic.
No, which is very obvious.
Yes.
It's there all the time, and it will be like this only.
Okay.
So, sir, like right now, this time, people are very worried about taking an offline internship, and how should one be physically and mentally prepared to go ahead with the same?
So, offline internships, see, depending on which departments you guys are, I mean, thanks to technologies, you can create the similar kind of, the intention for internship is what? Your self-learning, whatever you guys have learned so far in 3 years or 6 semester or till the 6th semester or 7th semester, you have to go back to industry, maybe probably the first time, and test it, whatever you have learned, how you can use that in a practical way. Now, for few department, it will be really very easy. Consider with technology. I work in e-commerce from last 7 months. I have not stepped into my office, including none of my team. My team right now is spread around in probably 7 cities at this point of time, and we are working fine. So few department will be really very easy. Yes, a few functions may not be so easy, with like manufacturing probably. If you really want to learn manufacturing, you need to see the shop floor. So I really don't know at that area, because I'm not expert in that. Having said that, offline internship or virtual internship is a good option currently, and a lot of things you can learn. I'm sure your classes are also happening that way, in that same fashion, right?
I think one of the few industry that Brajesh sir said that it's difficult actually for an online internship is actually merchandising. So I think Sana ma'am could throw more light into like how actually should a merchandiser, one who aspires to be a merchandiser, can get into a GP or an internship right now.
So first of all, I would just like to correct it. The thing is, I've been working as a garment technician, not into core merchandising. Okay. So, but yeah, so offline internship, if you're, first of all, you will have to look at your interest, right? So you have to think about it. If you think that, you have interest enough to work offline as well. So you will have to take some risk right now at this scenario. I know it's not very advisable, but yeah, people, the companies are working on with a lower strength, and they are maintaining the the rules and the things like what should be avoided at this scenario, and how should how should we maintain the social distancing and all. So I think offline internship, I think one should